Well, and on the round, I'm gonna go tractor tipping later and make sure I don't wake up Frank. Oh, tractor! That was fun. Hopefully Frank doesn't wake up. What was that? I wanna. Dadgum. Dadgum reverse. Oh, we're getting some. Dadgum reverse. Oh, I got it. Okay. Now time to look for those punks. Mr. the King, where are you? I'm gonna find you. What? Huh? Oh no, I'm in deep trouble now. What am I gonna do? I'm hiding. I'm running. Right, where is the king? I'm tired of looking. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna go. Here I come. Oh, Mr. the King. Oh dear. What happens if I do this? Wait. What? This is my chance. Yeah. Wait, what the? What happened to Mario? Mario, are you digging? Mario, are you digging? Phew. Hopefully I got away. There must be a place to hide around here. Stay tuned for the full video.